again to our channel, and for today we shall make a carrot crisp. So it is made from the skins of carrot, and so it is an English dish, like where I am. It is like kind of commonly done, and it's also vegetarian and vegan. So let's see how it is being made. We have the spices over here and the peeled carrots, because I was peeling some carrots earlier, and those carrots were, I didn't want to throw the skin, so I could make something, so like less wastage. So let's see how this can be done. So in a basin, we will start off with the salt. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon, and if you want, you can use more as well. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and also garlic powder, and also black pepper, and also paprika. You can use cayenne as well. I'm using paprika today. And also I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And with this, we will mix up all together. And we will add the carrots, which is the peel, and we mix it up together. Just coat it together. And so this has been well coated, and now we will leave it for at least 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes for the carrots to absorb all the spices, and then we will go into the oven. And also while waiting, so we can preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So viewers, it's already passed like 15 minutes. Now it's time to bake. So we will lay this in a cookie tray laid with a parchment paper, and at the same time we will just sprinkle this lightly. Spread it out well. And now the carrots can go into the oven for 20 minutes on 400 degree Fahrenheit. And dear viewers, our carrots have been cooked and roasted in the oven. I did not flip them in the middle, but it will be a good taste. So this is my carrots, and so now I'm going to wait until it gets cool off a little bit, and I'm going to enjoy it like a snack. Dear viewers, this is my carrot crisp that I've made. I hope you will try this in your home, and it is pretty simple and easy, and it's easy to be cooked. And so whenever you peel carrots, so do not throw the peels, just save them aside, wash it well, and then marinate with the spices and put it in the oven, and it becomes another snack. So thank you very much for watching Friday Friendly Kitchen, and I hope you will try this in your home. And for those who have been with me, thank you very much. If you're watching the first time, do me a favor, could you please just like and follow the channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon, so whenever I post a notification, you'll receive a video, so that I've been posting every day, and I hope you will enjoy all my videos. And please do check my other videos as well in the past. There are good quality sound and bad quality sound, but please excuse me if it's a bad quality. So thank you very much, and see you soon. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchen.